Today I'm going to show you how to create a report. Spur has all the information you need about the absences and jobs at your location, and the Reports tool enables you to see that information in just about any way you need it. To get started, click the Create Report button. Choose Start from Scratch with a blank report where you add the filters and columns, or use one of our pre-built templates. Either way, you'll be able to customize the report just the way you need it. I'll select Absences and Jobs. You'll see the data showing in the table at the bottom, filtered by the filters shown in this section. Need to remove a filter? Click the X. The data in the table will update. Want to sort the data a different way? Click the column you want to sort by. Click it again to sort in the opposite direction. Need to add a filter? Click the Add Filters button and choose from the variety of options such as position, location, Spur worker, or date. The contextual date range filter is especially useful as it enables your report to be updated automatically. For example, with this last week filter, it will show me only the absences and jobs from the last full week. If I were to go in next week, this data would be updated accordingly. If you want to add or remove columns, click the Edit Columns button. You'll see dozens of fields available to be added to your report. Let's select actual work duration hours. Any new columns added to the report will be attached at the end of the table. You can also order the columns by checking on Enable Column Ordering and clicking and dragging to drop the columns in the order you want to see them. Finally, click Save to save your report. If you haven't given it a new name, it'll prompt you to do so. Add a unique name, click Save Report, and you're done. This report will now be available under the My Reports tab on your Reports Overview page. As you get more reports, you may want to pin favorites to the top of the list, and you can do that by clicking the heart icon. You can also share this report with others in your organization or export it. After exporting a report, it will be available to download as a CSV or Excel file in the Exports tab. And that's all there is to it. If you'd like to use the absences and jobs last week report we created in this video, click the link under the video on your dashboard, and it will apply to your data. I hope that was helpful, and we'll talk to you next time.